When we talk about role of women, we can actually address it under different heads like economic development. They are having a role in economic development. Then they are having a role in agriculture. They are having a role as unpaid domestic workers. And even in the political sphere, they are having some role, right? So regarding economic development, we know that if we are having a fair workspace, then it would be more beneficial for the men and women. Okay, if we are having a fair workspace based upon the merits or the capabilities and talents of the individuals and which is uninhibited by gender, then both the categories, that is both men and women, can contribute their part, which actually strengthen the team spirit, and they will gradually contribute to their personal development as well as to their economic development or to the nation's economic development as a whole. So it's very important to remember a saying like empowering women is smart economics, because yes, as a human resource they are having much role to play in the economic development, right? So in economic development, it is like a fair workspace, equal opportunity based on merits, talents, capabilities should be given so that they can break the glass ceiling and even attain heights at the managerial post, right? Next is regarding agriculture. In agriculture, what is the role of women? Yes, in agriculture, we know that women has broadened and deepened their presence in agriculture since industrialization, because with industrialization, what happened was new industrial hubs were emerging and which provided for more and more good job opportunities. So what happened was that the male counterparts of the family, they started moving out from their rural agrarian economy towards the urban centers in search of good job or in better job opportunities or for more or for raising their standard of living. So this particular agricultural lands were left behind by them, and these were taken care of by whom? The women folk of the family. So they were forced to work on the agricultural land which were left behind by the men who moved out for better job opportunities in the urban centers or in the industrial hubs. And that is how increased role of or increased presence of women came to the agricultural sector. And that's how the process of feminization of agriculture happened. And feminization of agriculture is mainly contributed by two important factors. One is the demand pull factor and the poverty push factor. So what is this demand pull factor and poverty push factor? So demand pull factor, in the sense we have already told this, because with more and more people moving out of agricultural land and going in search of better job opportunities in industrial hubs and urban centers, what happened? There was a greater demand for labor force in the agriculture sector. So this demand actually pulled the women folk from their household to come and work in the agricultural lands. So that is what is demand pull. Now poverty push, as we know, due to the women folk of the family looking for ways to overcome the evil of poverty, they are forced to work, or they are forced to find alternative jobs rather than the household chores in order to overcome poverty. So that is how, or the poverty is pushing them to work in the agriculture sector. So these are the two important factors which has actually contributed to the process of feminization of agriculture, right? Now the next important role of women is in the household chores itself, right? So we know that our mothers, or we are recognized, or we can say rather unrecognized in doing the domestic work, because the domestic work and household chores are very much physically demanding hard works, and the men most often sees these work as unfit for them, and they they see this work as it should be done, or these are the areas of women. So what happens is that these works, the domestic works done by women, often go unnoticed or unrecognized and unpaid. Okay, so that is why the underrated, unpaid work of women is having importance. Actually, it is not recognized as real work. It is not recognized as a real work. Why? Because it is stereotyped to be the work of the women folk, or they are recognized in such a way that these are the areas that generally women should do. We don't have a part in it. Men have a feeling that we don't have a part in it. So they, most of the time, they go unnoticed, unpaid. They are not paying. Okay, they are not given any salary for doing the household works. So it is like they are unrecognized, unpaid, and they are not recognized as real work unless and until the household chores that is being done by the women is not recognized as real work. Actually, then the empowerment of women in its real sense is not possible, right? So the refusal to acknowledge that household work is real work is actually both a reflection and a cause for the lower status of women in our society. So that acknowledgement or readiness to accept household work as a real work is very much needed in our society. Next is regarding politics, and we know that even in today, in this present time, the level of participation of women in politics is very much minimal. Okay, there is only minimal participation of women in politics. And why women should come to politics is that it is having a set of rules and regulations by which we are also being governed, right? So the women should also get a voice, or they should also be represented in a system where they are also being governed. But most of the time, their representation is minimal or very much smaller in proportion when we compare it with their counterparts, right? So it is very much important to make them aware of their own political rights and also to acquire and assert their political power, right? So that's why women's role in politics is important. And when we talk about politics and women's role, it is good to quote the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act and the 74th Constitutional Amendment Act, were both provided for reservation for women in Panchayat Raj institutions and municipal bodies. Right. So these are some of the areas that you can mention while role of women is being asked. There are many other areas like social front also women is having very much importance. So these are the some of the areas that you can mention and bring out more points, right?